Hey everybody, a pretty important topic in planning for one's estate, doing wills, powers of attorney, is really taking a deep consideration of whether or not you've got everything in place that you should. The basics is having obviously a will and powers of attorney. But what if your situation might be a bit more complicated? I don't necessarily mean, you have lots of assets and or money, but rather just the everyday concept nowadays that people have what are called blended families, meaning you've been married and or in a common law relationship with a previous person and now you're on the next relationship. It's very, very common now that most people have in fact been previously in a common law relationship and or married. And that situation becomes even a bit more complicated for planning and discussion when in that previous relationship you had at least a child or children with that ex-partner. Factor in the new relationship and having children with that new partner. Now you've really got to have a consideration of what do I have to do to make sure I'm taking care of my current partner, the children of that current partner's relationship, and or making sure I feel as though I've left applicable resources and or support, inheritance, what have you, for your children of your previous, now separated partner, divorced partner. It's not uncommon to come across people, obviously, who are on an additional relationship with a new partner, and come across people who have children with multiple partners. And so it's really important to make sure you plan for that and you really talk that out with your current partner and really think through, how do you want the will to be set up? How do you want the will to read? And how do you want to leave your inheritance? And is that in keeping with your current partner's wishes as well? So it's really important to have conversations with a lawyer who is familiar with this concept, familiar with these planning ideas, can walk you through pros and cons of different decisions or different options you might be thinking about to make sure that ultimately at the end of the day, what you want to have happen is going to happen at the time that you pass, or that it will continue to happen when your partner passes. Take care. All the best.